Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we have this red Nintendo DSi that I recently did a video on for a restoration project. It turned out to have a bad power board as well as a bad top and bottom screen, and the only part working was the motherboard. So I got this Nintendo DSi recently in a lot of systems. A subscriber traded me, and it's a Japanese one, and the motherboard is corrupted due to they hacked it, or somebody did, and then they factory reset it without backing up the NAND, so there's no menu music, only music when launching a game, so it's a little corrupted, and it's a Japanese one, so I'll be swapping the motherboard over into that one. So let's get straight into it. Now, please enjoy this video. Thank you so much. Unfortunately, it turns out that I'm unable to swap the motherboard. When I was trying to take this one out, this part decided to snap off the motherboard, and this has never happened to me. But hey, I was able to get it back together with the black buttons inside of it, and it looks pretty cool, but almost every single part in that one is faulty. This one, the red paint mixed with the red lenses, buttons, made it look really, really good, and I really, really hoped if this one would have worked out. But hey, it's not too bad. I just wasn't able to get the top screen plugged in all the way, but you know, as you see me just dropping this extremely comedically. Anyways, I apologize, but hey, have a great time. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.